Eileen, please tell us how you found this property and how did you get to your decision? Oh, ready na ako bumili ng first home ko. Kasi I know you've been here for a long time, since 2011.
Correct.
Pero dito lang 2021 ka nag-decide na bumili ng bahay.
Saving for me is not the topmost priority because first of all, as a Filipino, ate, alam mo to na pag Pilipino ka, nag-abot ka sa pamilya mo.
Sa Manila. Sa
Tapos you
Pilipinas.
also extend help to friends. So,
Oo.
medyo mahirap mag-ipon. Naalala kong payo ng kaibigan ko, yung isa sabi, it's better for me to own a property.
Yeah.
At least all the money will go there or it will become my top priority. And another friend told me na kung wala ka pang pera, you will find a way. Basta pasukin mo. Pag napasok mo yan, you will really find a way.
Magkano ang savings mo at that time? Kwentuhan mo naman kami.
I found this property 2021. The purchase price is 450,000. So the real estate agent told me that I might be considered for the
5% no LMI at the
No.
time. That was during the pandemic. Mayroong in-offer ng government. You can buy a house or an apartment with just a 5% deposit. Hindi ka magbabayad ng no mortgage insurance.
So that was the good news na
Oo.
sabi ng real estate